I'm not gonna lie. I try to do the right thing. I try to recycle. I try to go green. But there's things that I found out that I can recycle, and there's things that I cannot recycle. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you what you can and you cannot recycle. Enjoy the video. Well, hello. I got a list of things that I can and can't recycle. There's things in every state that might be different, so check with your state to see if this is recyclable or not. So what they did, they sent me a piece of paper that told me these are the recycling information and instructions. It says I can place all clean and dry plastics, glass, metals loose in the same recycled container. And that says plastics. Any plastic bottle or food container marked with the symbol 1, 2, 3, 5, or 7 can be recycled. And that's this thing right here. So if it says 1, 2, 3, 5, or 7, that can be recycled. It says remove caps, covers, and O-rings and discharge in regular garbage. And it says wash thoroughly. But I'm confused. If this is recyclable, this part here, why can't this be recycled? You know, you would think it'd be the same material, but I can recycle the plastic, but I have to throw this part, the cap, in the garbage. But that's what they say I have to do, and I'm gonna have to do that. It says flatten milk jugs and other large containers. It says step on them. It says labels do not have to be removed. Acceptable plastics, examples, milk, laundry and dish detergent, soft drinks, peanut butter, ketchup, shampoo, cooking oil, and other containers with recyclable symbols. It says antifreeze containers must be rinsed, cleaned, and caps removed. Motor oil containers only, replace caps tightly. And this is what I did. I had plastic bags in there, and I was told that plastic bags will damage the machine. So I tried to recycle some plastic bags. And the best thing to do is to use these type of bags, which are reusable, and it will save on the environment. So start using these type of bags. And I hear also that if you take these bags to stores, you get a discount on certain, just for being green. So that might help you save some money. It says styrofoam dish cups are unacceptable, dishes and meat trays. And it says if you have overflow, string them together with some string and tie them up. Now for the glass, it says clear, green, brown, or blue glass that has contained food or beverages is acceptable. Remove caps, covers, and O-rings and discharge in regular garbage. Wash thoroughly. Do not break. Labels do not have to be removed. Non-acceptable glass are dishes and drinking glasses, light bulbs, window glass, flower vases or vases, and casserole dishes. And also, plastic straws cannot be thrown into the recycle bin. They have to be thrown in the garbage. And the best thing to do is, to be green, is to use silver straws, silver stainless steel straws, and there's an alternative to not having to use plastic straws. So look into using stainless steel straws. And also throw them in the garbage because a lot of our stuff ends up in oceans and the fish eat that stuff, and then we eat the fish and we get that crap in our body too. So think about it. Now, the metals, it says aluminum pop cans, pie tins, aluminum trays and foil, and it says wash and rinse thoroughly. Tin cans must be crimped or flattened, rinse clean. Copper, pipes and brass fittings, metal pots and pans. Non-acceptable metals are paint thinner cans, charcoal cans. They will take empty paint cans and empty aerosol cans, but the empty paint cans have to be completely dried of the paint. Now, for the magazines and catalogs, it says must be bundled securely with heavy string. Set on top or next to the container. Telephone books, it says no comic books. If weather's unfavorable, please save until your next scheduled pickup. Now, when it comes to the telephone books, you can compost the pages, but get rid of just the outer cover, and that way you'll save some money on your gardening because you'll be reusing the paper. So shred the paper up in the phone book, recycle that with your composting bin or your red wiggler bin or whatever you have, and reuse that. Corrugated cardboard says it must be flattened and clean. Maximum accessibility is 30 inches by 60 inches by 6 inches high. It says tape or tie securely. No pizza boxes. And what I hear with pizza boxes is because of the grease. But with the pizza boxes, you can shred those down, but have a cheap shredder because you don't want that cheese and oil in your shredder. But either tear them up, shred it down, put it in your compost bin, or put it into your worm bin if you have worms, so that way you can recompost the cardboard. It says no cereal boxes or no pop cartons, but cereal boxes can be broken down with other cereal boxes. Okay. Newsprint. Inserts may be left with the newsprint. Stack neatly, flatten, and tie securely with string. Set on top or next to the container. Do not double fold papers. Do not put in plastic or plastic bags. No phone books. No catalogs. And the thing about newspaper too, you can recycle the part here. There's the regular soy paper products. Recycle that. Or put it, shred it up and use it as compost. But the inserts right here, the glossy stuff, get rid of it. And thinking of that, with the wrapping paper for gifts and stuff, I think we should use more paper that you can compost instead of using the wrapping paper. So I don't want to make the people of wrapping paper lose some money, but there's an alternative to being green by using brown wrapping paper, or you could use some trusty newspaper. Dun dun dun. Just a suggestion. Now, box board, junk mail. It says keep all like items together in a bag. Tie securely. All items must be clean. Junk mail examples is school paper, no paper with crayons or paint, adding machine tape, envelopes with labels and windows, pamphlets, receipts, gift wrap, advertisements, greeting cards, note paper, letters, manila folders, computer printouts, and typing paper can be used. And box examples is cereal boxes, removing the inserts, cracker boxes, laundry boxes, cookie boxes, and pop cartons or soda cartons, depends on where you're from. Styrofoam is not recyclable, so that has to be thrown into the garbage, or better yet, stop using styrofoam. And if you shred paper, they will take that. But the best thing to do, if you don't really know what you can and cannot recycle, check with your local environmental area, the person that's in charge of that, so you can know. Stay green, guys. Recycle. Try to eliminate the use of plastic. Pick up stuff if someone throws garbage on the ground, which I don't know why people actually don't clean up after themselves and just throw their trash out of the window and litter. That's not good. But even if it's not yours, pick it up so you can make the world a better place. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and have a great day. Bye.